Simple character modeling. Hello guys, today we will do this simple character model and will texture it in Blender and Substance Painter. First of all, we will do the reference setup in the left side screen and in the viewport too. We will use a 2-level subdivided cube for face and we will del the half bottom vertices, then extrude and scale the bottom vertices on the reference. We don't need to worry about the other sides because it is a round face and the shape will be same. Now the face is ready. We will also do the body with 1 level of subdivided cube on the reference. We will turn on the proportional editing by pressing O and move the top vertices up. I am doing some vertex adjustment too to match the reference. Duplicate the same body mesh in object mode and scale it down except the Z axis by pressing Shift C and place it on the reference for arm. And add a mirror modifier to add same arm on the right side. We will del the right side of the mesh of body and will add a mirror modifier on it above the subdivided modifier. We are selecting these two bottom vertices and press I to insert these faces and move it down. I am adding a loop cut and scale it on Z axis by pressing S plus C. And move these 3 vertices a bit inside to make a gap. Now we are going to do eyes. For this we are using a cube with a subdivide modifier and by placing it on the eye position. For antennas, we will use a circle with 6 vertices, extrude it on the reference, add a loop cut and bevel it 3 times by using scroll wheel with Ctrl plus B. Did the same process for antenna head, extrude, loop cut and bevel, duplicate the existing antenna, mirror it and change it a bit. Now this model is ready. First of all, we will add a plane as a ground and we will also add a camera by pressing Ctrl A and choose the camera. And to place the camera on our character, we will go over required pose on a viewport and will press Ctrl plus R plus O and camera will share the same view as in the viewport. We use this camera to view option for camera setup. This is my camera setup. You can do whatever angles you find good. In the next video, we will do the texturing work in Substance Painter. But before texturing, we will also do some writing and unwrapping too. For this video, that is enough. We'll see you in next video. Bye bye.